2017 built, 3-bedroom 2-bath with amazing kitchen, beautiful granite countertops and gorgeous hardwood floors. Home features vaulted ceilings and a spacious open floor plan with a large eating bar. The owner's suite is spacious and well appointed, while one guest bedroom has a wall of built-in shelving. Backyard has been designed for entertaining with an extended concrete patio for easy maintenance and a brand new shed that was just installed at a cost of $3,500. There is artificial grass in the backyard to keep a highly manicured look while entertaining or relaxing on the back patio.